Welcome to our guide on 10 legitimate online jobs that beginners can start without any investment. Let's dive right in. First up is freelancing. Freelancing allows you to offer your skills, such as writing, graphic design, or programming, on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. You can set your own rates and work on projects that interest you. Next, we have virtual assistant work. As a virtual assistant, you help businesses with administrative tasks, like scheduling and email management. Websites like Belay and Time, etc., can connect you with clients. Third on our list is AI content creation. With tools like ChatGPT, you can generate articles or social media posts for businesses. This role requires creativity and basic writing skills. Online tutoring is another great option. If you excel in a subject, you can teach students through platforms like tutor.com or Chegg. Fifth, we have transcription. This job involves converting audio or video recordings into written text. Websites like Rev and TranscribeMe offer opportunities for beginners. Next is social media management. Businesses need help managing their online presence, and you can find work on platforms like Hootsuite or Buffer. Seventh is affiliate marketing. You promote products and earn a commission for each sale made through your referral link. You can start by joining affiliate programs like Amazon Associates. Blogging is another possibility. If you enjoy writing, you can create a blog and monetize it through ads or sponsored content. Ninth is remote customer support. Companies hire remote workers to assist customers via chat, email, or phone. Websites like remote.co and We Work Remotely list these opportunities. Finally, we have digital services such as website design or SEO consulting. You can find clients through networking or platforms like LinkedIn. In summary, these 10 online jobs offer great opportunities for beginners without requiring any investment. Explore these options and find the one that suits you best.